5 foods for a flat stomach. Avocado help reduce inflammation, prevent blood sugar spikes which cause body to store fat at waistline. Lemons. Warm lemon water helps jumpstart your gastrointestinal tract so that food can pass through easier and faster. Blueberries packed with antioxidants that change how the body stores glucose, resulting in flatter tummies. Banana. High in fiber, low in calories. Fiber makes you feel fuller longer. Cucumber. Natural diuretic, which removes water weight and helps with belly bloating. Did you know? Just by drinking 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon juice daily with 1 glass of warm water at night for few days helps in weight loss, relief from constipation. It also may help in better sleep.